Ready to share your products faster? Well, look no further because push out might be all you need. Hey everyone, I'm Tia Jones with Mastering Pop, which is mastering profitability over popularity, and I'm also the creator of the no-fail Mastering Ecom Workflow Bundle, which is a digital marketing course that's available right now. Today, I'm going to share with you a snippet of one of our Zoom coaching calls with special guest Shopify app Pushout. But before I do this, please click the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a video. I upload digital marketing and SEO videos that will help you to generate more revenue and scale your store faster. Trusted by 25,000 online businesses, Pushout is the only marketing channel that converts anonymous shoppers into customers. With web push notifications, you can collect store visitors as subscribers with just one click, requiring no personal information like email or phone number. Send web push notifications about products and offers directly to your subscribers' device screens to turn them into buyers and sell more. This is the perfect marketing channel to capture and market to anonymous shoppers instantly. Check out this video clip with push notification app Pushout.
So a little bit about what web push notifications are. So web push notifications are similar to mobile push notifications in the sense that they are quick, short messages that come on your subscribers' device screens talking about promotions, campaigns, etc. What when a visitor lands on your website, they see a short message saying, do you want to subscribe to push notifications? Once they click on allow, they start receiving these messages. So one of the things, the USP is that you do not need to download an app to receive these notifications, and you don't need to enter any of your personal details such as your name, email ID, or phone numbers to receive this. So one of the places that it really helps is in cart recovery. So you have a lot of people who come to your website, put a bunch of things in your cart, but never really end up checking out. So web push notification is a way to target these users who don't want to give you their personal information but still want to receive push notifications or communication from you. There are two ways to look at why web push notifications are crucial. One is the merchant side, that is from your side, and like how it is beneficial for you, and the other one is how it's beneficial for your visitors or your customers. So for you guys, it is instant communication. I'll show you how easy it is to make these campaigns or build these campaigns and send it to them. It turns your traffic into subscribers. It's one click which turns them into subscribers who will later buy from you. It also reduces abandoned carts by sending personalized messages. I will also show you how it is done and the best practices around it. And last but not the least, it's an unregulated marketing channel. So in terms of for regulated industries like vape industries, sex toys, tobacco, liquor, it's an unregulated marketing channel. So I'm sure a lot of you wouldn't be able to do this for like Facebook marketing and other stuff. With push notifications, it's unregulated, as well as you don't have any spam filters to avoid. So in terms of emails or in terms of SMSs, there are a lot of regulations around it in terms of what words can you use or not use to avoid being in the spam. For push notification, there is nothing like that. For customers, the three beneficial points are that they don't need to provide you any personal information. And one of the stats is that 90% of the people who opt in for web push notifications don't actually opt in for any other channel of marketing. So they're not okay with, maybe sharing their personal information. They just want, maybe sometimes they want to unsubscribe. Sometimes they're scared of spam. So a lot of times they just want to receive communication or like stress-free communication from you. And third, it's crisp and easy to consume. There's small short messages like you can see here. And it's basically like texting a friend. I always say, you want to do it to, to seem like you care about them, but not do it as frequently as to spam them or come off as clingy or annoying. So now I'll show you guys how to build a campaign and take you through the demo of the dashboard. So this is what the home page of Pushout looks like. These are some of the stats that are there. Some of the stats are how many campaigns you've sent in total since you've been on Pushowl, how many total subscribers you have, how much revenue you've generated, and how many impressions you've consumed. So how we actually bill you is through impressions consumed. So it is a successfully delivered push notification. That means only if it has been shown on your subscriber's device do we count it as one. So you can have unlimited subscribers, and we bill you on only when you're using push notifications or web push notification as a service, and it's reaching your customers or your subscribers, and they're seeing it on their device screens. So now to come to the campaigns bit, there are two ways you can create a campaign. You can either do it through this button here, or you can go into your campaigns page, see the history, and go to new campaigns here. So coming on to campaigns, we have some different options that you can select. One is send now, one is schedule for a later time. So a lot of times, and even Tia talks about it, of how she has an Excel sheet where she puts in all the campaigns, schedules all the campaigns either on a weekly basis or a monthly basis. And what you can do is just in the start of your week or the start of your month, you just put in everything, you schedule these campaigns, and then you don't need to look at push notifications or web push like Pushowl on a regular basis. You just schedule these campaigns and you send it out. Then there are two types of campaigns. There's a regular campaign and there's a flash sale campaign. So a regular campaign is it is sent as soon as a subscriber looks at the device screens, they get this campaign. A flash sale campaign is a limited time campaign. What this means is that if you have any limited time offers, or you have any limited time discounts or anything going on, what this does is if you have a expiry time to this, anybody who's logging into the devices after this time will just not see the web push notification. So unlike an email or an SMS, which can be seen after the flash sale, after the offer or the discount has expired, with push notifications, they just can't see it, which leads to a little bit of a better customer experience. And then we'll talk about segmentation a little bit later. And then there is smart delivery, which basically looks at when the subscriber is the most active on the devices and sends it according to that. So that leads into a better delivery time, a better click rate, and them opening your website. So once you've come on, then this is where you enter all the details. Say you are fashion brand and you have an offer, an LBD offer that's going on. So we can just type latest So make sure that your messages are short and crisp. Make sure that you're also using some smileys. So you're putting like a dress smiley, because like I said, it's like texting your friend, right? You want it to be clickable, you want it to look nice, to have some emojis. So I'm just going to put some emojis here. And you can also see how it's going to be looking on different devices. Here you put your primary link where you want them to be redirected to. So if you have like a collections page, you want them to land on your home page, you want to make them land on your product page, offer page, you can just type that primary link. So I'm just gonna, and then here you add your hero images. Always make sure that